my beautiful fans? Hello. Hello, people watching this on YouTube. We were watching this on another platform that someone copied my videos on and started uploading them there, and it's not me unless I say it's me, and I'm being super specific right now, but that's because it's true. We're going to be playing something fun. Okay, see what I'm looking like right now, Mr. Goofy Goober? Well, Mr. Goofy Goober is gonna be playing something fun. Oh yeah, this game was fun. 3008 by Ugly Burger Zero. Okay, buddy, what kind of a name is that? Let me just get my candy. I got my Smarties, my drink. I'm not chilling. Alright. Smarties are different. Let's start playing 3008. 3008, whatever it's called. However you say it. I think it's day right now. Oh shoot.
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
How are these things so fast? How are these things so fast?
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Shoot, I'm dead. Come on. Yes. Oh, thank you.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
What was that? Sorry, my voice may sound a little weird, but what was that? I didn't even survive for a minute. Why was there just like a body of this guy? Like headless, but with no torso or no arms. Like this one. I literally just looked at chat and it said, right, Riz King is not pro. Just keep swimming. I think that. Yeah. Oh! Yes. Now it's time just to check if anybody started building up. Imagine having TikTok. Why is my game so laggy? How am I supposed to get in there? don't even know the controls. How do I whistle, bro? So B is whistle. But it says B is the menu up there. Okay. If you didn't know, this game is based off of Ikea. Which is like a store. I don't know. Where I live, we don't have an Ikea. We only got 3 rooms. You know, like Walmart and Big Jam and Burger. Stuff like that. Land of enchantment, baby. I use the mouse built into my Chromebook, okay? I have my own mouse. Thing is, batteries are dead. And I don't have batteries. So, it's gonna be dead for a while. Feel me? After this, I'm gonna watch some software edit. So stick around. Anyway, I'm getting bored, so let's start watching some software edit, or the original Italian brain rot video. Looking for the no.
Trallallero trallallà, porco Dio e porco Allah. Ero con il mio fottuto figlio merdardo.
Okay, no. Oh, there's Tung Tung.
Hello guys, today we have a list of top 30 Italian brain rot animals. Number 30. Cocofanto elefanto.
Cocofanto elefanto. Elefantucci coconucci.
Number 29.
Tripa, tropa, tralala, liri lira, tung tung, sahur, boneca, tung tung, tralalelo, tripi, tropa, crocodina.
Number 28.
Miau miau miau, pisi pisi, miau miau, wow, Watermelonini cetupisini.
Number 27. Orangutini ananasini.
Orangutini ananasini. Pupapadabim. Ananasucci monkey 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 ucci.
Number 26. Espressona signora.
Ballerina cappuccina? No, no, no. Espressona signora.
Number 25. Blueberini octopusini.
Blueberrini. Octopusini. Blup 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 octopusi.
Number 24. Tigrulini watermelini.
Bom bom bom. Tigrulini watermelini.
Number 23. Bobrini cocosini.
Bobrini cocosini. La cocosetto bobret.
Number 22. Eco cavallo virtuoso.
Ecco cavallo virtuoso, uno show strepitoso.
Number 21. Bribri vicus vicus.
Bri bicus dicus de dicus.
Number 20. Jirafa celeste.
Giraffa celeste. Viaggio agreste.
Number 19. Frulla y frula.
Frulli frulla. Un pinguino nel deserto che fa bla bla bla.
Number 18. Cappuccino assassino.
Cappuccino assassino.
Number 17. Špioniro golubiro.
Špioniro golubiro. Golub kojeg šalje vlada u javnost da špionira ljude.
Number 16. Trulimero trulicina.
Trulimero trulicina. Il pritiletin in piscina. Formaggio sulla trulla lima. Ma chi chiama la tazzina?
Number 15. Burbaloni luliloli.
Burbaloni lulilolli. Capibarrello cocossini.
Number 14. Frigo camelo.
Frigo camelo, buffo fardello. Nel centro della città.
Number 13. Bobrito bandito.
Oi oi oi. Bobrito bondito? El bobrito gangsterito. Banditelli don bobrelli.
Number 12. La vaca Saturno Saturnita.
La vacca Saturno Saturnita. De frente tu sei tanto bonita. Con il corpo di Saturno, Saturnita.
Number 11. Bombombini gusini.
Bombombini gusini. Fratello bombardiro crocodilo.
Number 10. Boneca ambalabu.
Boneca ambalabu.
Number 9. Scimpanzini bananini.
Scimpanzini bananini. Wa wa wa. Bananucci, monkey monkey monkeyucci.
Number 8. Trippi troppi.
Trippi troppi. Troppa trippa. Tre topi trotterellano tra tromboni tritati. Triplicando trottoline tropicali. E chi troppa vuole, nulla trippa.
Number 7. Ballerina capuzzina.
Ballerina cappuccina.
That's not how she
Mi
looks.
mi mi. È la moglie di Cappuccino assassino.
Number 6. Glorbo fruttodrillo.
Glorbo, fruttodrillo. Nel profondo della palude, Glorbo fruttodrillo regnava.
Number 5. Lirili varila.
Lirili larilà, elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là. Con la sua conchiglia e un orologio che fa tic-tac, le spine del cactus mi fanno un attacco flashback.
Number 4. BR patapim.
Brr brr patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim. Nel bosco fitto e misterioso viveva un essere assai curioso.
Number 3. Bombardiro crocodilo.
Bombardiro crocodilo.
Oh, I already know what the first one's gonna be.
Che vola e bombarda.
Number 2. Tralalero tralala.
Trallallero trallallà, porco Dio e porco Allah.
Honorable mention.
La latreo la latra.
Number 1. Tum 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 saur.
Let's go.
Tung 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 sahur.
Can you please?
I'm a W.